As we all know, employees are people are every company's greatest asset. And you have to be able to use your people's time effectively and efficiently. And TrakQuip does that for us. What they like is that the information's at their fingertips, whether it's a picture of the unit, the warranty information on the unit, the extended warranty on the unit, the billing history, the licensing cost, the tax cost. Everything that we need, we can look up and we can pull that information and we can track and monitor. And they're our assets. We have to take care of them. But if we don't have a system that effectively allows us to perform the maintenance that we need on them, they're not gonna hold up. I mean, you know, these items are consumables and they have to be maintained. Trucks have to be maintained. Equipment has to be maintained. And if you don't have a good system in place that gives you the appropriate notices, the appropriate ticklers, whatever it takes that says, okay, on this day, by this day, this truck has to come into the shop and X, Y, and Z has to be done on the truck, then your truck is gonna, your asset's just not gonna last. I mean, it's not, you won't take care of it like you need to. It's also important in terms of being able to track repair problems or problems that happen in trucks across the fleet, so that we can understand and proactively deal with the possibility of these same kinds of problems happening in other trucks. If we see a trend, when we run a report and we're seeing X, Y, Z repairs, then those are trends that we see, that perhaps this part is going to maybe fail at a certain time period. Then we're ready and we're checking it on those other trucks that we have in the fleet, so that you don't have a breakdown that leaves the customer's truck down on a job, down on the road, those kinds of things. So yeah, allowing us to track trends, to have some foreseeability of what kind of problems we might expect by looking at information that we already have, it's helpful in that way. In summary, I believe that TrakQuip allows us to understand our total cost of ownership of a truck, and that's what we need. That's what we need here. And we would definitely recommend it to anybody who wants to get a handle on whether it's lease, rental, maintenance, whatever sort of assets you're trying to track and get detail on. I think this system is good. And I think we're going to use it for a long time, and it's going to help us to continue to be successful and grow our business.